Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I am your host, Pixelated Turtle, and this video is going to be the second part of a three-part series where I sculpt, texture and finally render out a cute coast scene. This one will focus on the texturing part of the project. As with my other texturing projects, to keep things simple, I will mostly try to use the smart materials and modify them as needed so that anyone can follow along. I did experiment with a bit of emissive material this time around, as well as a path tool, which were fun. For now, just enjoy the video, and if you like what you see, do hit the like button and subscribe for more CG contents in the future. Thank you very much for watching, and do check out part 3 where I finally render out the scene in Blender. Until then, goodbye.